Hi everyone, welcome back to Fun Shapes Tracing with Colors. And today we're going to have a blast learning about some awesome shapes while tracing and coloring them. Are you ready? Let's jump right in. Our first shape is the crescent. It looks like a moon that's been nibbled away. Let's start tracing it. Grab your crayons or markers and follow along with me. See how the crescent is curved and has a little point. Once you've traced it, you can color it in with a bright color. I'm using yellow because it reminds me of the moon. Great job! Now, let's move on to the trapezoid. A trapezoid is like a house with a slanted roof. Let's trace it together. It has two sides that are parallel and two that slant. Once you've traced it, you can color it any color you like. I'm choosing red because it's so bold and bright. Next up is the cone. It's like a yummy ice cream cone. Let's trace it and make it look super tasty. The cone has a pointy top and a wide bottom, just like your favorite ice cream treat. Color it in with a fun color, maybe brown for chocolate or pink for strawberry. Now it's time for the hexagon. That's a shape with 7 sides. It's a bit tricky, but we can do it. Let's trace it together. Count the sides as you trace. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 7. Once you're done, color it in with a cool color. I'm using blue because it's so calming. Up next is the cross. It looks like a plus sign. Tracing this one is super easy and fun. The cross has 2 lines that cross each other. Color it in with any color you like. I'm using green because it's fresh and vibrant. Last but not least, let's trace the parallelogram. It's like a slanted rectangle. Ready? Let's go! A parallelogram has opposite sides that are equal in length. Once you've traced it, you can color it with a bright color. I'm using purple because it's so royal. Wow! Look at all these amazing shapes we've traced and colored today. You all did such a fantastic job. Remember, you can always create your own shapes and have fun with colors anytime. Thanks for joining me on this colorful adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our fun activities. See you next time for more shape-tastic fun. Bye for now.